Going back to the question of how many sort of layers do we need for a lead of this sound, rather than asking how many layers, what I want you to sort of really concentrate on is what is happening within this lead sound, for example. Now, the things that I concentrate on when I'm looking to sort of create a certain type of lead sound is there's a few elements that I want to concentrate on. I want to concentrate on, now, as I say, I use this because sometimes, depending on if you've got a melody like this, you can have some sort of issues with these lower bass notes. They can start to distort, they can be too low down. You go to push it up, the whole lead and stuff is too high up. And if you keep them there, it can sound distorted. Now, that's all depending on as well the preset that you're using and other aspects of obviously the sound that you're using. This is probably going to depend on, so this is something that you might come back to once you've added in your kick and bass. Listen to see how your low end of your lead is playing with the kick and bass in accordance to what you've got here. This octave up, I'm going to go up with it just because it's probably better to go on the other side of caution in terms of going up than it is down, because you're probably going to have a kick and bass in there anyway. So centered sound here, not on the sides. I still want the width, the low end of the sides, but I don't want too much low, so I've then cut off the full a little bit of the actual sides here as well, and the mid in terms of a little bit more there. We've got some low end in there. I might not need to do that with this. So that was more before, if you're, for example, only using 2 layers and you feel that first layer is really needing that sort of low end. With this one, because I've got this low end in here now,